Hey there, and welcome back to our channel where we talk about all things related to health and wellness. Today, we're going to be discussing a topic that's important for everyone, but often overlooked: nerve health. Nerves are an integral part of our body, responsible for transmitting signals between different parts of the body and the brain. Without them, we wouldn't be able to feel sensations, move our muscles, or even breathe. But did you know that there are several vitamins that can help boost your nerve health? In this video, we'll be discussing 6 essential vitamins that you can incorporate into your diet to keep your nerves healthy and functioning optimally, the all-natural way. Before we get started, I want to remind you that this video is for informational purposes only, and is not intended to replace medical advice. If you have any concerns about your nerve health, please consult a healthcare professional. With that said, let's dive into the first vitamin on our list. 1. Vitamin B1, thiamine. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, is essential for nerve function. It helps in the conversion of carbohydrates into energy and is required for the proper functioning of the nervous system. Thiamine deficiency can lead to a condition called beriberi, which can cause nerve damage, muscle weakness, and even heart failure. Foods rich in thiamine include whole grains, nuts, legumes, and fortified cereals. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help ensure that you're getting enough thiamine to support your nerve health. Let's dive a little deeper into the importance of vitamin B1 for nerve health. Thiamine is a water-soluble vitamin that is essential for the proper functioning of the nervous system. It plays a crucial role in the conversion of carbohydrates into energy, which is why it is often referred to as the energy vitamin. Thiamine also helps in the synthesis of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that is essential for nerve function. Thiamine deficiency can lead to a condition called beriberi, which is characterized by nerve damage, muscle weakness, and even heart failure. Beriberi is more commonly seen in areas where people consume a diet high in refined carbohydrates, such as white rice, which are low in thiamine. Chronic alcoholics are also at risk of thiamine deficiency, as alcohol interferes with thiamine absorption. Foods that are rich in thiamine include whole grains, nuts, legumes, and fortified cereals. Whole grains, such as brown rice and quinoa, are a great source of thiamine. Nuts, such as almonds and pecans, are also rich in thiamine. Legumes, such as lentils and black beans, are a good source of thiamine as well. Fortified cereals are another option for increasing your thiamine intake. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help ensure that you're getting enough thiamine to support your nerve health. It's important to note that cooking can destroy thiamine, so it's best to consume these foods in their raw or lightly cooked form. If you're not getting enough thiamine from your diet, supplements are also available. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before taking any supplements, as excessive intake of thiamine can lead to adverse effects. 2. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine. Another important vitamin for nerve health is vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine. It plays a crucial role in the synthesis of neurotransmitters, which are essential for the proper functioning of the nervous system. Vitamin B6 deficiency can lead to nerve damage, depression, and confusion. Let's take a closer look at the role of vitamin B6 in nerve health. Pyridoxine, commonly known as vitamin B6, is a water-soluble vitamin that is essential for the proper functioning of the nervous system. It plays a vital role in the synthesis of neurotransmitters, such as serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine, which are essential for maintaining a healthy mood, cognitive function, and sleep patterns. Vitamin B6 deficiency can lead to a range of health issues, including nerve damage, depression, confusion, and anemia. Some of the early symptoms of vitamin B6 deficiency include tingling sensations, numbness in the hands and feet, and muscle weakness. Foods rich in vitamin B6 include poultry, fish, bananas, avocados, nuts, and whole grains. Poultry, such as chicken and turkey, are good sources of vitamin B6. Fish, such as salmon and tuna, are also rich in vitamin B6. Bananas, avocados, and nuts, such as almonds and peanuts, are excellent sources of this vitamin as well. Whole grains, such as brown rice and quinoa, are also good sources of vitamin B6. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help ensure that you're getting enough vitamin B6 to support your nerve health. However, it's important to note that excessive intake of vitamin B6 can lead to toxicity, which can cause nerve damage. Therefore, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional before taking any vitamin B6 supplements. In conclusion, vitamin B6 is an essential nutrient for nerve health. It plays a crucial role in the synthesis of neurotransmitters and helps maintain healthy mood, cognitive function, and sleep patterns. Incorporating vitamin B6-rich foods into your diet can help prevent vitamin B6 deficiency and support your nerve health. If you're concerned about your vitamin B6 intake or are experiencing symptoms of nerve damage, please consult a healthcare professional. 3. Vitamin B9, folate. Vitamin B9, also known as folate, is important for nerve function and the production of red blood cells. Folate deficiency can lead to anemia, which can cause fatigue, weakness, and nerve damage. Foods rich in folate include leafy greens, citrus fruits, beans, and fortified cereals. If you have trouble getting enough folate from your diet, supplements are also available. Let's take a closer look at the importance of vitamin B9, also known as folate, for nerve health. Folate is a water-soluble vitamin that is essential for the production of red blood cells and the proper functioning of the nervous system. Folate also plays a role in DNA synthesis and repair, making it important for cell growth and division. Folate deficiency can lead to a condition called megaloblastic anemia, which is characterized by the production of large, immature red blood cells. This can lead to symptoms such as fatigue, weakness, and shortness of breath. Folate deficiency can also cause nerve damage and increase the risk of neural tube defects in pregnant women. Foods that are rich in folate include leafy greens, such as spinach and kale, citrus fruits, such as oranges and grapefruits, beans, such as black beans and kidney beans, and fortified cereals. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help ensure that you're getting enough folate to support your nerve health. If you have trouble getting enough folate from your diet, supplements are also available. Folate supplements are often recommended for pregnant women to prevent neural tube defects in the developing fetus. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before taking any supplements, as excessive intake of folate can mask the symptoms of vitamin B12 deficiency. In conclusion, vitamin B9, also known as folate, is an important nutrient for nerve health and the production of red blood cells. Incorporating folate-rich foods into your diet can help support your nerve function and prevent folate deficiency. If you're concerned about your folate intake or are experiencing symptoms of nerve damage, please consult a healthcare professional. 4. Vitamin B12, cobalamin. Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, is essential for nerve health and the production of red blood cells. It plays a crucial role in the synthesis of myelin, which is the protective coating around nerve fibers. Vitamin B12 deficiency can lead to nerve damage, memory loss, and depression. Foods rich in vitamin B12 include animal products such as meat, fish, eggs, and dairy. If you're following a vegan or vegetarian diet, it's important to supplement with vitamin B12 as it is not naturally found in plant-based foods. 5. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is important for nerve function and the maintenance of healthy bones. It helps in the absorption of calcium, which is essential for the proper functioning of nerves and muscles. Vitamin D deficiency can lead to muscle weakness, bone pain, and nerve damage. The best way to get vitamin D is through sun exposure. However, if you live in an area with limited sunlight or have difficulty getting enough sun exposure, vitamin D supplements are available. 6. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that helps protect nerve cells from damage. It's important for the proper functioning of the nervous system and can help prevent nerve damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin E deficiency can lead to nerve damage, muscle weakness, and vision problems. Foods rich in vitamin E include nuts, seeds, and vegetable oils. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help ensure that you're getting enough vitamin E to support your nerve health. Conclusion. So there you have it, 6 essential vitamins that can help boost your nerve health, the all-natural way. Incorporating these vitamins into your diet can help ensure that your nerves are functioning optimally and can prevent nerve damage. It's important to remember that a balanced and varied diet is the best way to get all the vitamins and minerals that your body needs. If you're concerned about your nerve health or are experiencing symptoms such as numbness, tingling, or muscle weakness, please consult a healthcare professional. They can help diagnose any underlying conditions and provide appropriate treatment. As always, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on health and wellness. Thanks for watching.